During expiration of the medial meniscus, we can see an oblique tear at the posterior root, which is found to be degenerative, and the degenerative edge will be resected in the end of the procedure. Via the anterolateral port, a knee scorpion is inserted. A first suture is pierced at the torn edge of the medial meniscus. Then a second suture is pierced at the meniscocapsular junction. Using the knee scorpion, a PDS suture is passed anterior to the second suture to serve as a shuttle suture. When the PDS is pulled out, a horizontal mattress is created at the meniscocapsular junction. An ACL tibial guide is inserted through the anteromedial port. The first tunnel is drilled using a 2.4 millimeter diameter guide pin followed by a 4.5 millimeter cannulated drill, and then the suture wire for meniscus fixation is pulled out through the tunnel and secured. A second tunnel is drilled in the same way using a 2.4 millimeter guide pin followed by a 4.5 millimeter drill, through which the fiber wire for the meniscus centralization is pulled out and secured. The two transtibial sutures are then fixed to the anteromedial portion of the tibial tuberosity using a knotless suture. At last, the degenerative edge of the posterior root is resected completely.